video, we will introduce DJI Relay and how to use it. DJI Relay supports two frequency bands, 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz, and can communicate with both the remote controller and drone designated by DJI to avoid signal blockage and achieve stable signal transmission in complex environments. Its built-in battery supports continuous operation for up to 4 hours. First, we will introduce the structure of DJI Relay. There are 4 detachable antennas on the top, which are used to transmit wireless signals. This is the water outlet. It should be kept clean and free of blockages during operation. At the bottom, there is a USB-C port used for charging and firmware updates. You can connect DJI Relay to a power bank that supports PD charging at 15W or higher to extend the operating time. The power button, status LEDs, and battery level LEDs are placed on one side. You can press the power button to check the current battery level. To power on or off the relay, press the power button and then press and hold it for 2 seconds. The status LEDs indicate the linking status between the remote controller and the relay and between the drone and the relay. The battery level LEDs show the current battery level of the relay. Next, we will introduce how to use DJI Relay. Connect a charger to the relay via the USB-C port for charging. The battery is fully charged when all the battery level LEDs are solid on. Be sure to fully charge the built-in battery before you use the relay for the first time. Turn on the drone and the remote controller and make sure that they are linked. Then, link the remote controller to the relay. Press and hold the power button of the relay until the battery level LEDs blink in sequence, which indicates that the relay enters the linking mode. Go to the home screen, click Device Management, select DJI Relay, and click Linking to start linking the remote controller to the relay. When the RC status LED is solid green, the linking is successful. After the remote controller is linked to the relay, the drone will automatically link to the relay. When the UAV status LED is solid green, the linking is successful. Be sure to keep the drone and remote controller within 5 m of the relay during linking. If the linking fails, verify the operation steps and the firmware version, and try again. If the issue persists, contact a DJI dealer or DJI support. We recommend that you set up the relay in high places, such as roofs, hills, etc. The relay comes with a mount. With a mount, the relay can be set up using extension pole of different heights. The pole need to be purchased separately. A highly placed relay can help avoid signal blockage in orchards or fields with tall crops. Take note that the relay needs to be set up at least 2 m higher than the crops to ensure signal transmission. Make sure that the antennas are not obstructed during use.